Today, we'll walk through how to utilize our interactive floor plans, or IFPs for short. What we're looking at now is the floor plan for the Helena in our Meadows at Longview neighborhood. You can see the base floor plan, options you can select on the left, some tools on the right-hand side, and at the top, floor levels as well as some nifty visualizers. First, let's look at the first floor. You may see camera icons on the floor plan. Those are hot spots taken from this home plan's model home. You can see when you select an option, it appears bright green on screen, denoting any dimension changes and footprint changes. The same goes for the upper level. As well as the basement. Moving on to the fun stuff, our visualizers. On our IFPs, we offer exterior visualizers for our single-family homes and kitchen visualizers as well. These can vary based off of what type of home you're looking at. On occasion, we'll have expertly designed packages that we offer, and you can take a look at those. If we don't offer them, you'll be able to create your own with the selections we have available. In the kitchen visualizers, you'll see options for cabinets, hardware, hardwood flooring, and other options. Let your imagination run wild and play around with this. There's tons of combinations to create the kitchen you want. The exterior visualizer is also helpful. As I mentioned previously, our townhome home plans don't offer customization, but our single-family homes do. You're able to select different exterior elevations, pick your own stone, door color, siding and accents, and more. Now that you've created your dream home virtually, what can you do with it? If you take a look at the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a toolbar with a couple of different options. You're able to save your selections, so you can go back to it and edit it, and have it emailed to you with all of your selections saved. To pair with that, you're able to print your creation as well, and bring to any private appointment you book with any of our community sales managers. Feel free to mark your creation up too. If you really like a specific option, make a note of it so you remember. I hope you learned something from this demonstration. We went into great detail with this, and we can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for watching.